Hi guys, welcome back to JP Uploads, and today in front of us sits the 2015 Porsche Cayman GT4. The GT4 had a starting price of £64,451, but seeing how they've all been sold out, their selling price is near enough £100,000. One thing that you may not know is that the Cayman GT4 borrows the 911 Carrera S's 3.8 litre power kit engine. This gives the Cayman GT4 a 0-62 time of 4.4 seconds and a top speed of 183 miles per hour. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, go hit that subscribe button and give the video a like, and I'll see you in my next video.